Alright, hello everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a comparison video between my desk, the Ikea Bekant, and the Ikea Desk Hack, which is another popular desk setup from Ikea. But before we get into that, if you guys go down, hit the subscribe button for more tech and lifestyle type videos, it'd be very much appreciated. Also, I need to get my subscriber count up, C4, let's get that up. Anyways, so I'm going to talk about my desk first and the pros and cons of it, and then I'm going to get into the Ikea Desk Hack, which I do not own, but I'm going to be talking to you guys about what I think are the pros and cons of it as well. So the first thing we have here is that this desk is just a plain desk, so it could be very portable and you could use it for maybe a set or a table used in like a conference room or something like that. So it is very portable, and it also comes in different sizes. Also, one thing is that it always will come with two strong sturdy legs like this, whereas the Desk Hack may not come with nice legs like the Ikea Bekant. And you can also buy this desk in a sit-stand version, which is also really nice for people who might be working at a desk all day and decide they want to stand for a little bit to work on something. So you could purchase that on Ikea as well. It comes with the motorized legs, and it comes with a little button interface that will be on the side of the desk, and you press it and it will raise up. I do not have that version, but it could be useful for someone that might need it. This desk also comes with a cable management. I'm not using it, as you can see, and I do not recommend it. I did not like it, but it does come with a cable management little pocket here that I'll show you guys on the screen right now, but I did not really like it. But it does come with that. If you are not wanting to spend extra money on cable management stuff, you can just throw everything into the little pocket, and it is very helpful, I guess. So now we're going to get into the Ikea Desk Hack and its pros and cons. So the Ikea Desk Hack, obviously, I'll show pictures on the screen as I'm going over this stuff, but it has more storage than this. So my desk does not come with this Ikea drawer desk, while the Ikea Desk Hack does. It could come with two or one depending on how you want to do it, and it's much more customizable, unlike my desk that's pretty plain and stuff, and I had to buy this extra storage unit to come with it. But the Ikea Desk Hack can have either two of these units or one of them with legs on the other side. Also, you get to choose your tabletop when you use the Ikea Desk Hack. So instead of just having a plain black, you could have like a different wood tabletops that might look better for your room or wherever you decide to have it, maybe in your office or whatnot. Also, with the Ikea Desk Hack, it does not come with two strong legs like this desk does. So the legs that do come with it, I'll show on the screen right now, from Ikea are not as strong as these legs that I have here, but they're more flimsy, and oftentimes you're going to need more than two. You're going to need two on one side and then one for the middle. So that might, and if you do not want a leg in the middle, it might not be something you want. So that is another thing. It really comes down to what you want more. So if you want more storage and more customizable ability with your desk, then you might want to go with the Ikea Desk Hack. And if you want more of a portable and simple looking desk, like my desk here is the Ikea Bekant, then it might be something you want to go with. So it's all up to your preference. I had to buy this Alex drawer unit here so I could have some storage next to my desk, where if you have the Ikea Desk Hack, you will not need to do that. You can just, your desk will go over the top of this right here, and it will just be part of your desk. So but it's all up to what you want and how you want your desk to look. I decided to go with this look, whereas a lot of other people decide to go with the Ikea Desk Hack, and it is very popular in gaming setups and stuff like this. So that is about it for this video. Those are all the pros and cons, I think, of each desk. If you guys have any more problems with your Ikea Desk Hack or your Ikea Bekant, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be replying, and thank you guys for watching.